Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the connection has been timed out, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the modem and router, but I'll tell you properly, I'll tell you how to do it properly. So switch off the modem, router and computer. Now switch on the modem only the modem, not the router, not the computer. Let the lights be stable, then switch on the router and let the lights be stable for the router as well. And finally the computer. The next solution is to reset the network. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to network and internet tab. On the list on the right hand side, select advanced network settings, select network reset, and finally click on reset now and click on yes to initiate the process. So this is the second one, and the last one is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and then you can click on run corresponding to the network troubleshooter. See, many other websites and channels are suggesting many other solutions, but when you reset the network, you flush the DNS, you can reset the IP address, you reset the WinSock, so it covers everything. I mean, the second solution is the main solution. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.